Welcome to our room. This is our amazing sunken lounge. We are so proud of this moment. You just want to crash in there. Yes.
I love a sunken lounge. Yeah, I do. I'm a sucker for one. I think they're a great asset in the home. Yeah.
I've never seen anything like this.
Well, I've never been in a house that has one, but I've seen it
That's
on
really
the TV.
Well, on the Jetsons.
Custom-made record player.
Beautiful fireplace.
Beautiful tile fireplace. Yep, double-sided. And then you walk into a great little, casual living space where you can read a book or have a cup of tea. And then we've got our amazing dining room as well, and amazing artwork.
I'd quite enjoy that too.
I do like
curtains.
these.
Yeah, they're quite nice.
That's stunning. That's stunning.
Gorgeous.
That's stunning.
We really love this space. It's very cool. It's like
Very
all of our dreams in one great space. Hope you love it.